नमस्ते, हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? मेरा नाम स्नेहा मिश्रा है. आई एम स्नेहा मिश्रा एंड आवर टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू कवर ई, छोटी ई की मात्रा. सो लेट मी टेल माय क्विक introduction. I'm Sneha Mishra. I'm based in UAE, working as a full-time teacher in CBSE school, and I live in Abu Dhabi. So I have a 10-year experience to teach Hindi to non-Hindi students. So that's why I try to deliver same thing how I teach my students. And let's see. And yes, so far I have uploaded consonant, vowels, consonants, then the 2, 3, 4 letter words, bara khadi, a ki matra, and now we are starting e ki matra. Apart from these long videos, I have uploaded many reels related to Hindi doubt, which my students usually ask in my class when they have doubt. So please check it out. And if you get any doubt related to the content which I am delivering, please do let me know. Okay? So let's start with E ki matra. So before we begin, there is one different thing with this matra. This matra will come before the letter. Okay? I think I should off this light. Okay. Now let me make it little closer. So see, when you see na, this matra, if you see word mitra or the chitra, okay, you will see the matra is coming before the letter, but the pronunciation will be after the letter. Okay, so e ki matra is placed before the consonants, but pronounced after it. Okay, so this is one rule, you should know it. Many people, when they do this separation, or we say it viched, so what they do it now, they put this matra before it while separating it, which is wrong. Okay, because you know, while writing a complete word, the matra will come before the letter, but while separating it, while doing the word viched, okay, it will come in center, not before it. Okay, so always keep this in mind. So let's see how many words I have taken today for our today's E ki matra. So let's begin. So there is cha plus E ki matra plus tatra, which means chitra, drawing. Next is ma plus E ki matra plus tra, means mitra. Mitra means friend. Then ka plus E ki matra plus la, which means kila. Kila means fort. Then the plus E ki matra plus la, dil. Dil means heart. Then the plus E ki matra plus na, din. Din means day. Ga plus E ki matra plus na, gin. Gin means count. Then la plus E ki matra and plus kha means likh. Likh means write. Okay, so let's try to make one sentence with it and repeat after me. Let's see, because as much as you will speak, your communication skill will improve, and that is the only way to learn any language. As many times you will try to speak, because we can read. My many students are very good in reading, very good in writing, but when it comes to communicate, now if I ask, okay, write by yourself like a 5 line, 10 line, so they still struggle, just because of the reason their home, the language is not as a Hindi spoken language. Okay, some belongs from different part, so always try to speak as much as you can. So chalo, let's try. Chalo, chalte hain means let's try. Let's make a sentence with these words. Okay, so I will write a sentence related to the word which I have shown here to you. Okay, then we will read them together. Okay, so you can see these were the words which just now we learned: mitra, chitra, likh, gin, din, dil and kila. So everywhere you see matra is coming before the letter consonants, but we are pronouncing it after. Now let's see what sentence we can make with word mitra. Mitra means friend. Okay, so we can say मेरा मित्र आया है. Okay, So what we'll say? मेरा मित्र आया है. Now listen my English pronunciation. My mitra is here, or my mitra came. Okay. So now next we will take the word chitra. Chitra. Okay. So chitra means drawing. Okay. So you can say मुझे चित्र बनाना पसंद है. ओके, यू कैन से मुझे चित्र बनाना पसंद है. I like to drawing. I like to drawing. So मित्र, friend, छोटी ई की मात्रा. मेरा मित्र आया है. My friend is here. My friend came. I am with my friend. Whatever. Okay. Then चित्र, मुझे चित्र बनाना पसंद है. I like to draw, or I like drawing. Okay. Now let's take our third word, which is lick. Let me take the duster and let's see what word we will find with the word chitra. Okay. So will the chitra we will make, lick. Okay. So lick means to write. Okay. To write. It is a, okay, let me complete it. See, it is a verb. When you will see it, I have uploaded a video related to our daily verb, which we do it. Okay. Likhna, uthna, baithna, padhna, sona. So lick. So you can say, मैं लिख रही हूँ. I am writing. मैं लिख रही हूँ. I am writing. Because I am a girl, so I will say in Hindi रही हूँ. If you are a boy, you will say रहा हूँ. But English will be same. Okay. Now next we will take the word gin. Gin means count. Okay. So gin is also a verb where you have to say ginna, counting something. So what if we can say the word related to gin? मैं पैसे गिन रही हूँ. I am counting a money. So we can say मैं पैसे गिन रही हूँ. Okay. मैं पैसे गिन रही हूँ. I am counting a money, I am counting a toys, I am counting a clothes, anything you can use. So gin means count karna. Okay. Then din. Third word here, it's din means day. आज कौन सा दिन है? What day today? What day is today? आज कौन सा दिन है? So we have taken few examples from our mind map which I showed you today. I hope you had learned the E ki matra words and how to use them. So while showing you the matra, I will try some speaking practice also. So I will write here the Hindi one, but I want you to repeat in Hindi also and know the meaning in English also. Okay. So to write, मैं लिख रही हूँ. I am writing. गिन, मैं पैसे गिन रही हूँ. I am counting money. आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is today? Okay. So for today, only this much. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. And if you want to learn any specific topic, any grammar topic, and you are not able to understand the typical Hindi, when I see the many videos, when I try to teach my students, then I make it separate note. Because, you know, if someone don't know Hindi and we are teaching them properly in Hindi, so it will be difficult for them. How we learn Hindi, like how we learn English in a Hindi method, similarly I am trying to teach you Hindi with the English method. That's it. Okay. So thank you for today. and please do practice of these words, and we'll see you with our next matra, which is badi eki matra. And please do not forget to watch my series, the daily use words. Okay, is a word related to anything. I have started posting it. Please like it. Thank you so much.